The apex of quantities. Exploring superlative forms of quantitative adjectives. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into an intriguing part of English grammar: superlative forms of quantitative adjectives. This topic allows you to compare quantities at the highest level. It's not just about understanding more or less, but about reaching the most or least. Quantitative adjectives, as the name suggests, are words that help us to describe the quantity or amount of something. They can talk about exact quantities, like 4 apples, or relative quantities, like many apples. Examples include many, few, some, several. The superlative form of an adjective is used to describe the highest degree of something in a group or among multiple items. In the case of quantitative adjectives, it helps to describe the maximum or minimum quantity. The superlative forms of quantitative adjectives often end with est, or are used with the word most or least. For example, most, least, fewest. Here's where things get practical. The superlative form of a quantitative adjective is used with the definite article, the. For instance, when we say, "I have the most books," it implies that no one else in the group has more books than I do. Some example sentences include, "This is the least populated city in the country. He has the fewest mistakes in the class." Now, let's address some common mistakes and misconceptions about using superlative forms of quantitative adjectives. One common mistake is using the superlative form without the article, the. For instance, saying, "She has fewest mistakes," is incorrect. It should be, "She has the fewest mistakes." Another misconception is that all quantitative adjectives have superlative forms. In reality, only a few have them. For instance, while few becomes fewest, the word several does not have a superlative form. There you have it, a detailed guide to understanding and using the superlative forms of quantitative adjectives. Remember, these forms are not just about comparison, but about finding the highest or lowest degree of quantity. With these, you can express maximum or minimum quantity and improve the clarity and specificity of your communication. We hope this has been helpful, and that you'll join us again to explore more fascinating facets of the English language. Happy learning!